Where'd he go? Oh! I have no idea where he was, but he sees me again! So I gotta get out of here! Wait, what? What's going on? Oh my god.
Hello.
No way. Benji just beat him up.